Hi, my name is Sheena Moore, and today we have my client Jordan, and he came in today with some concerns about his locks. So Jordan, with your locks, what are some of your concerns?
I noticed a little thinning at the top and it's also a little dry.
Jordan, do you experience any itching?
Not as much.
So do you mind me taking a look?
Oh, for sure.
Perfect. From the consultation, I did notice your dryness. So there are two definite main products I want to use, which will be our Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe Shampoo and also our Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention. You ready?
I'm ready.
Well, let's go. Step 1 is to cleanse. We will be using Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe Therapeutics Anti-Itch Shampoo, which restores natural moisture balance and removes dirt buildup by promoting scalp stimulation. We will also be cleansing using the Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioning Shampoo. It quickly softens, detangles, and smooths the hair cuticle. Its gentle, non-tripping formula can be used daily and sulfate-free. Step 2 is to condition using Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Mask. It strengthens hair while locking in intense moisture, improves hair elasticity, and adds luminous shine, eases the detangling process, and improves hair manageability, free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, and gluten. Step 3 is to prep. We will be using Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HCO Leave-In Conditioner. It instantly moisturizes, softens and detangles, restores and strengthens the hair shaft. Step 4, style, using Design Essentials Loc Braid Styling Gel. It provides a strong hold for starting and retwisting locks, braids, and twists, nourishes and controls frizz without flaking or weighing the hair down. It is infused with castor oil, which supports scalp health and strengthens hair, locks in moisture, and delivers healthy, shiny results. Step 5, maintain. Using Design Essentials Moisturizing Oil Treatment. Design Essentials Moisturizing Oil Treatment is natural antioxidants help to protect hair from environmental damage, deeply penetrates to moisturize and hydrate the scalp, helps to improve scalp elasticity and to promote growth, and is dermatologist tested and free of artificial fragrances, dyes, and mineral oils. Additionally, Design Essentials Reflections, a liquid shine spray. It smooths and eliminates frizz without weighing the hair down and contains no alcohol and is excellent for all hair types.